Khyber Pakhtunkhwa's forests are more than just trees. They are lifelines. They provide essential ecosystem services, sustain biodiversity, and serve as a vital source of food and income for local communities. These forests are home to a diverse range of non-timber forest products: honey, chilgoza nuts, wild fruits, medicinal plants, mushrooms, and many others. For generations, these resources have been a cornerstone of local livelihoods and food security. In recognition of this vital connection between forests and food, the Directorate of Non-Timber Forest Products, NTFP, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Forest Department, celebrated International Day of Forests 2025 under the theme Forests and Food. To empower forest-dependent communities, the Directorate has established NTFP-based enterprises, ensuring sustainable use while improving livelihoods. By providing training, market access, and policy support, the department is helping communities benefit from these resources without harming the forests. The Climate Change, Forest, Environment, and Wildlife Department of Government of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is committed to conserving our ecological rich forest resources. Promoting NTFPs as an alternative livelihood not only supports local communities, but also helps in forest conservation. By valuing and sustainably managing our forests, we are ensuring food security, economic growth, and environmental conservation for future generations. Forests feed us, sustain us, and protect us. Let's protect them in return. Together we can build a future where forests and people thrive in harmony.